Hey everyone, I'm here to show you how to clean your car's fuel system to boost performance. Whether you're a gearhead or just want your car running smoothly, this is for you. First things first, you need a good quality fuel system cleaner. You can find one at your local auto parts store or online. Make sure to read the label to confirm it's compatible with your vehicle. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Make sure your fuel tank is nearly empty. This allows the cleaner to mix thoroughly with the fuel. Then, head to the gas station and fill up your tank. Pour the cleaner into the fuel tank before you start pumping gas. This helps the cleaner mix well with the fuel. Now let's talk a bit about how this works. Fuel system cleaners contain detergents that help break down carbon deposits in your engine. These deposits can clog up your fuel injectors and reduce fuel efficiency. By cleaning these out, you'll get smoother acceleration and potentially better mileage. Okay, back to the steps. Step 2. After filling up, drive your car as you normally would. The cleaner will start working its magic as you drive. It's that simple. Keep in mind, it might take a full tank of gas to see the best results. And that's it. Clean your fuel system every 5,000 miles, or as recommended by your cleaner's instructions. Regular maintenance like this can save you money on repairs and keep your car running at its best. So if you've noticed your car isn't performing like it used to, give this a try. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car care tips. See you next time.